So this road is a state road, I believe. This is very dangerous to get into at this property right here. And as you can see up there, we have some lights going. I've been wanting to talk about these lights for some time. It is a awesome LED light bar. Pretty massive magnets here. Obviously with my hand, with putting real effort into it, I can lift it up, but no weather or wind or anything has really done anything to this light bar whatsoever. I do have it actually reversed for a reason, but this is where it actually comes in, connects to the battery. So I have it here running down this whole way, and then goes direct to battery down back there. I do have it on a fuse as well, so it's not gonna blow up. It has 20 different settings, different strobe patterns you can have. Solid all the way around is number one. I have a few that I prefer. I'll show you that in just a minute. I believe it's waterproof. It's been awesome. I've got the controller here. There we go. Controller here on one, of course, the power button. Cycling through, you can see exactly what's going to happen, what's on the outside, so you don't have to wonder. So that's 2, 3, so on and so on. Kind of directing traffic if you're on the side of the road, where to go around you if needed. Left, right, middle, kind of pushing out. I do like number 11. With this, you can basically navigate which one you want to go to. So going this way or that way, deciding where you want to go from there. Continuing to cycle through 11, 12, kind of a glowing type of a feel there. Pretty relaxed. This is pretty intense there. 15, 16, 17, around the world, back and forth, playing a little ping pong, and then 20 back and forth, all the way back to 1. The takedown option here. Takedown is front and back. You can control that. You can control the alley sides, and then again, kind of a mute or manual just to turn it off. Ultimately, if you wanted, at one time there. The favorite, FA, I believe stands for favorite. You can go to your favorite one. At the time when I first got it, I had it at number 2. I'm probably, number 11 is probably my favorite right now. I'm just trying to be the most, really catching people's attention. I think this is good, as well as 11, but something I'm planning on doing is not just have it. It's a really long cord for this. It's great. However, I would like to have some sticky stuff on the back. You can kind of angle this the way you want it to be able to, have the cord coming out where you want it there. I think I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to mount it right here so I can see what's going on. Ultimately, because it is going directly to the battery, you're gonna have to turn this off manually. So turning the truck off is not going to turn it off. You're gonna have to turn it off manually. So you could go off of a key power and that'd be fine, but for me, I'm okay with this. Going back to 11 is probably my favorite right now, like I said. But you can just have the 2 on there just for kind of going through the alleyway, going in the front. Hey, I am here. Again, just the front and the side here, and hey, it's just another form of light. If you're doing stuff around you, you want to make sure that things are good to go. This is $100. I don't know if they have them in stock right now. They have had them kind of off and on. I've checked in on them, different versions. You can get the full truck length with one, just about, or you could get shorter ones. You can do multiple ones. You can have smaller ones in the front, do different things, whether it's a pickup truck or a medium duty truck. You've got options. This all in the hopes of people seeing you. We've got to be careful out on the roads, especially in the winter time, it being darker in general. I want to be a beacon in the night. I want everybody to know, hey, here I am. At the same time, I don't want to blind people. So if you do this, if you want to do this, understand that going down the road with this is potentially a hazard to a certain degree. At least having the sides and the front and back is a good idea in my opinion. If you guys have thoughts on this, let me know. The link will be in the description down below. I think it's a great product. I think it's a help to me. I definitely have had times where I've shut down one-way streets where I've had to pull in, pull forward, bend back into a driveway. I've had many other situations where I'm either on the side of the road or figuring stuff out, and I've had to make a serious alert of, you know, where my presence is. So I hope this is a help to you. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe, and God bless.